Want to tell the viewers what they're winning?
It's a surprise.
Oh, goodness.
They're stuck.
They're sticky.
Wait, honest? No, they're totally stuck to the top.
So, I don't like gummy candy, and Megan's making me try it anyway.
It'll be funny.
The comedic effect.
Oh no, don't drop it.
I tried the fishies. Okay, this looks like marshmallow, so it's probably taste. I'm a whale. Ah!
Okay. I just tried this gummed up thing that I'm gonna make him try next. It tastes like Nerds candy from back in the day. Like Nerds Rope by Willy Wonka.
I'm having to chew so much I started dancing. That one was kind of neat because it was like marshmallow with like a really, really chewy gummy. So it was like a mixture of textures. It was pretty good.
This one's really cute too. It looks like it's like a little like fruit roll-up thing wrapped around a marshmallow candy.
Like nigiri or something.
Yeah.
It's gotta be. Okay.
I'm all sticky now. I think these are supposed to be like little sauces.
Oh, maybe this is soy sauce.
There you
That is all.
Wait, I think I can get it. I got it.
That is all you. That's too wiggly.
No, you gotta try it. Here.
No, I can't.
Yeah, try this one.
Alright, I'm trying this one. Okay, let's see.
That one's my favorite. It's so good.
I'm not a fan of this
You
one.
don't like my sushi
I love the sushi that you made for me.
This is all the rage and fries.
I don't think it is. Taste it. What does it taste like?
You gotta taste it with me.
I do not have to.
I tore my mustache in half for you.
I didn't like that last one. Now I have to try this one.
Oh, that's good. This is so much better than I thought it was gonna be.
Actually, yeah, that is better than I thought it would be.
It's really good. So the sauce is like an orange tangy thing. Okay. Now let's try whatever this is. I don't know what part of a sushi dish this is supposed to be.
It looks like little raspberries.
Yeah, maybe it's supposed to be the dessert.
Red cherries!
Okay.
Just put them in my hand. Gravity's not our friend today.
They're good too.
I like this better than the gumdrop one.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. Every time I eat a piece of gummy candy, though, I always make this really, like, ooped out face at first because the texture really bothers me.
I don't like raspberries. Try it. Is it good?
That one was really good.
So I guess maybe, did y'all eat bears in Japan? Why is this in the sushi thing?
Maybe they were running out of ideas, and so they were let's just throw a gummy bear in there. I'm thinking that this is supposed to be...
It looks like the peach rings you can buy, like in the candy stores.
But I think since it's a sushi platter, I think it's supposed to be avocado. Like an avocado wrap around a sushi roll.
Okay, how do you like this? You didn't say.
I thought I did say it's really good.
But what does it taste like? What flavors?
Passion fruit? I think it was passion fruit flavor.
What flavor was this?
I don't know.
You don't even know?
I don't know. Generic gummy flavor. Indescript generic gummy flavor.
Okay, I like the bear. I don't like the bear. It tastes like typical like Haribo gummy bears the bear did.
Does it taste like a sugar-free Haribo bear? We might be in trouble.
No.
Do you want me to eat them?
Yeah, you gotta eat the avocado. You gotta eat your greens.
Avocados are not a green. You have to try the other half.
But I didn't save the other half of the gummy for you.
That's really tasty.
No, I don't like the apple.
Megan hates avocados so much, they basically offend her.
I can't. I'm bothered. Well, that's the end of our review. Yeah, it's by Raindrops, like raindrop candy sushi.
Mini sushi candy or something.
So thanks for watching, and subscribe or like our video if you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. Thumbs up!
Thumbs!
Okay. Alright.
Bye.
Bye.